True wealth is not defined by the price tag, but by the value extracted from every dollar. $10 million in Los Angeles secures a foothold. In Cape Town, it commands an empire. Geographic arbitrage is the ultimate leverage. The billionaire lifestyle is about far more than wealth. It is mastery over time, energy, and environment. Most high-net-worth individuals remain tethered to legacy markets, accepting diminishing returns on their capital in exchange for perceived status. To optimize a life for focus, creativity, and comfort, one must detach from the standard narrative. Today, we analyze the mechanics of geographic arbitrage. We compare the purchasing power of $10 million in Los Angeles versus Cape Town. This is not merely a real estate comparison. It is a study in stealth wealth. It is an examination of how shifting locations can multiply quality of life, secure privacy, and amplify impact without increasing expenditure. Los Angeles represents the global standard for luxury pricing. It is the baseline against which value is measured. However, the market reality often contradicts the aspiration. In prime locations such as Beverly Hills or Bel Air, a $10 million deployment results in a property of approximately 3,500 to 6,000 square feet. The asset typically includes 3 to 5 bedrooms on a lot ranging from 6,000 to 12,000 square feet. While the finishings are premium, the spatial dominance is limited. You acquire a residence, but not an estate. Amenities are standard: a pool, a spa, perhaps a small home theater or a wine wall. The premium paid here is for proximity to industry and established social hierarchies. Yet, privacy is often compromised. Lot sizes of under 1 acre mean neighbors are visible. The environment is controlled only within the walls of the structure. Maintenance of this asset requires significant ongoing liquidity. Property taxes, insurance premiums, and labor costs for upkeep erode the capital efficiency of the home. In this market, $10 million buys participation, not dominance. Contrast this with the Western Cape. Here, the same capital deployment, approximately 180 million rand, shifts the paradigm entirely. In neighborhoods like Fresnay or Clifton, $10 million secures an architectural megamansion exceeding 7,300 square feet under roof. The scale is vastly different. This is not just a house. It is a compound designed for mastery. Expect 5 or more en-suite bedrooms, rim-flow pools that merge with the Atlantic horizon, and specialized amenities that in Los Angeles would require double the investment. Private cinemas, commercial-grade gyms, automated elevators, and dedicated staff suites are standard at this price point. The architecture capitalizes on the topography, offering panoramic ocean and mountain views that remain unobstructed. Security and privacy are integrated into the design. High walls, biometric access, and 24-hour private neighborhood security ensure the environment remains a sanctuary. The math is absolute. Los Angeles offers a residence. Cape Town offers a private resort. This is the tangible benefit of arbitrage. Luxury is not just the physical structure. It is the operational software of your life. True luxury means freedom from mundane tasks. In South Africa, the cost of labor allows for a full staff complement for a fraction of the cost of a single household manager in California. A $10 million lifestyle in Cape Town includes a house manager, private chef, housekeeping team, and groundkeepers. This acts as a force multiplier for your productivity. When daily logistics are delegated, mental bandwidth is reclaimed. Focus is directed solely toward high-leverage decisions, creativity, and business growth. In Los Angeles, the time tax of traffic and logistics is high. In Cape Town, the environment is optimized for stillness. Residences are designed to be self-contained ecosystems. Wellness, nutrition, and mental performance are optimized within the home. Stealth wealth is the practice of possessing high value while minimizing external signaling. In established markets, high consumption attracts scrutiny. It signals a target. In contrast, geographic arbitrage allows for a higher standard of living that flies under the radar of your primary network. For the global operator, Cape Town offers a unique strategic advantage: time zone alignment with Europe and a manageable overlap with the Americas. You remain operational in global markets while physically located in a region where your capital commands maximum authority. This is a defensive strategy. By diversifying lifestyle assets across jurisdictions, you reduce exposure to a single socio-economic climate. You create a sanctuary that exists outside the chaos of primary financial hubs. Here is the bonus strategy for the sovereign individual. Consider the burn rate. To maintain a $10 million asset in Los Angeles requires a significant annual outflow. The property tax alone can exceed $100,000 annually. In Cape Town, the holding costs are significantly lower relative to the quality of life provided. The strategy is not just to buy the house. It is to leverage the currency differential to fund the lifestyle. By allocating capital to a market where the currency is weaker than your primary income source, you create a permanent discount on luxury. You earn in strong currency. You spend in optimized currency. This preserves the principal capital while maximizing the lifestyle yield. This is intentional living. It is the refusal to accept market rates when global options exist. It is the design of a life that maximizes growth, freedom, and legacy. Ultimate luxury isn't measured by cost. It's the ability to live deliberately, control your surroundings, and craft a life that maximizes growth, freedom, and legacy.